They say AI is taking over. Cool, but I'm not here to just watch it happen. I'm here to master it. Hi, I'm Sabarish Ranjivi, and welcome to Mystery to Mastery. This is my personal challenge to explore, test, break, and master 100 of the most powerful AI tools out there. And no, this isn't another one of those top 10 AI tools you've never heard of videos slapped together faster than your semester end presentation. I'm not here to rate buttons. I'm here to push possibilities. Every week, I'll dive into 3 handpicked AI tools, from bots that write cleaner code than your lab partner, to design tools that build websites while I slurp Maggie at midnight. I'll experiment, master them, and figure out what they're really made of. On day 7, it's showdown time. I'll pick the one tool that truly deserves your attention. And every 10th tool, a wild, no-limit special episode, where I push that AI to the edge, maybe even break my sleep schedule in the process. So, whether you're a tech nerd, a curious student, or just watching this while your assignment loads in another tab, strap in. This isn't a tutorial series. This is a journey. This is Mystery to Mastery. 3 tools, 1 week, and a whole lot of AI mysteries to crack. Let's go. If you're ready to join the madness, hit that follow, subscribe, or whatever button's blinking at you. I promise, it's more fun than your last group project.